Alright guys, today I want to show you how we created this beautiful wallpaper, phone wallpaper as it is, right? And we did this with Canva. So follow me, let me show you how we got this done on Canva, our beloved Canva. Alright, make sure you have pro account, let me know, can help you get one. Alright, so we're in Canva and the dimension I'm taking is you can see 1080 by 1920 in pictures, right? That is the dimension. And having got the dimension, make sure you have all your items ready. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go elements, and then I'm going to have my materials ready. My materials are already here. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is to take this floor, alright, and then I'm going to spread it across the floor. Just spread it to this extent, alright, and then you go back and pick up this particular wall as it is, and then hang it somewhere here. Alright, and then we'll take off this part. Very good. Then we can go to our element again, grab a shadow like this, and then we'll demarcate this place. You can duplicate to make it darker. Alright, so we've been able to get that. Alright, the next is go pick these vegetables. Just look for green vegetables, turn it around, just rotate it. You can keep it somewhere here. Go to effects, this way, and then go to shadows, and then let's pick glow, or okay, we'll take a drop. Okay, so I think I should work with drop. All right, and then you can click on it again, work on the shadow, right? Okay, so we have this here already. Then I'm going to pick all the vegetables. I'll come back to you. So after picking the vegetables, right, the next thing is you can pick up seeds like this, remove the background. Then you can position it somewhere this way. Okay, position it somewhere here. Go to effects. Always go to effect and add shadow, right? Go to effect, let's click on shadow and take a drop, right? So when you pick a drop, you can see shadow close to it, right? Then you can decide to work on the shadow. You can work on the shadow to make it look real, right? Yeah, something like that. Okay, so I'm going to pick all other seeds and come back to you. So the next thing is to grab a glass of juice, right? Let's use this, remove the background, and then bring it somewhere. Make sure you position it somewhere here. All right, the idea is to make sure that it looks like, you know, this, you want to make sure that it looks like these items, right? Go to effect and add shadow to it. All right, yeah, make sure you add a nice shadow to that. Okay, we should take this time around, should take backdrop. Yeah, take backdrop, shadow, position it like that. Okay, I think so. You have to arrange it to make sure the stuffs are not crowded, right? So take this one a little bit inside, make it look real. Let's grab some red pepper stuff. All right, so let's grab this red pepper. Remove the background. All right, so I think it's looking nice there, and we can take this one out a little bit, put this one somewhere here, and then shift this one in a little bit, this other plate. The idea is to make it look real, right? I think we are done. So what I can do now is to go grab text. I'm going to grab the heading, and then I'm going to say Diwoko Designs. Alright, turn the text, work on the text. You have to position it somewhere here, because that is the brand that is designing this, right? So you need to make it this amount visible on the wall this way. Turn the text to white. Turn it to white like this, or you can decide to take another one if you want to. Okay, I'm going to grab my logo. Alright, so let me grab this. I can work on this by cropping it. Just crop it down and then reduce the size, and then bring it to this way. Okay, so we've gotten that. You can nudge it if you want to. Make sure you're using Canva Pro. Yeah, something like that. Okay, that's why I usually do that. Then I'm going to go back to element, then grab Canva. Grab Canva this way to let the people know that it came from Canva, right? We have to give Canva some credit. So we're going to keep something like that there. So guys, we are done. So this is how we design this beautiful phone wallpaper, right? Remember, you're using 1080 by 1920, right? Pictures. And so we are done. All right, so the next you can do is to download it, and we are good to go. See you some other time, guys. Make sure you like and follow, drop a comment. If you need Canva Pro account, let us know, and then we're going to help you out. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye for now. This is Dr. Tam K, Duoco Designs.